Stop wasting time. This is how you grow massive shoulders fast. Exercise 1. Behind the neck barbell shoulder press. This movement smashes both the front and side delts, building strength and size. Sit on a bench or stand tall. Place the barbell behind your neck with a grip wider than shoulder width. Keep your back straight. Press the bar overhead until arms are extended. Squeeze the shoulders at the top, and then slowly bring it back down under full control. Always start with light weight and use a lifting belt for lower back protection. You can also perform this on a Smith machine. Go for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 2. Dumbbell Shoulder Press. One of the best exercises to develop overall shoulder mass. It targets all 3 heads of the deltoid along with traps and triceps. Sit on a bench with back support or stand tall. Hold dumbbells at shoulder level, and press overhead together. Hold for a second at the top, then lower slowly to shoulder height before pressing again. Maintain proper form, avoid jerking, and if needed, get support from a spotter. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives, resting 1 minute between sets. Exercise 3. Seated Dumbbell Reverse Fly. A killer move for rear delts and traps. Sit on the edge of a bench with light dumbbells in each hand, lean forward, and let the arms hang below. With a slight bend in the elbows, raise the dumbbells outward until they are in line with your shoulders. Squeeze your rear delts, then lower slowly. You can also perform this standing in a bent-over position. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 4. Dumbbell Front Raise. This isolation exercise builds the front delts and gives your shoulders that capped look. Hold dumbbells in each hand, keep a slight bend in your elbows, and raise them straight in front of you to shoulder level. Hold for a second, then lower with control. Avoid swinging the body, let the shoulders do their work. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 representatives. Exercise 5. Dumbbell Lateral Raise. A must-do move for broad, 3D shoulders. Using light dumbbells, hold them by your sides, keep a soft bend in the elbows, and lift the dumbbells out to the sides until your arms are parallel to the ground. Control the movement on the way down and keep tension on the side delts throughout. Do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 representatives. Exercise 6. Shrugs, Dumbbell, Barbell, Machine. A finishing exercise to blow up the traps. Stand in the center of a shrug machine, or hold dumbbells, barbells by your sides. Pull your shoulders straight up towards your ears, squeeze the traps hard for a second, then slowly lower. Use heavy weights for maximum growth. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives.